Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update. I have heard from a number of people that have indicated to me that this is helpful in sharing the information, so we're glad to do it in our role here. You may be hearing, if you haven't already, about some of the changes that are going on with the mapping and the graphs we've been showing. The state has changed the qualifications, if you will, for the different statuses of the red, yellow, and green. Under the old way with red, you had 8 cases per 100,000 population. That has been changed, and that's going to be now 10 cases and a positive rate of more than 4%. We've been hovering the 1 to 2% generally on the positivity rate, so that bar is a little lower now. And keep in mind that all of this is brand new to the state, to the cities and towns on how we're dealing with this. So I'm certainly respectful of the Commissioner of Public Health at the state level, the governor, for all their recommendations going forward. And as always, I thank our Commissioner, Ruth Jones. So at this point, we have 7 new cases today. 2-week average has been 8.9. 1-week average is 9.1. Active cases are 93. We've had a total cases of 2,000. And we've had 137 deaths since the start of this back in March, as we know. Some of the new rules that the governor has laid down is really a way to try to prevent the transmission of this, as we've talked about a number of times. And I know with some of the restaurants and businesses are a little dissatisfied because they're asking for the restaurants to really stop at 9:30, stop serving, and be cleared by 10 o'clock at night. And that is now underway. That is the new rule as we speak. The mask wearing has now been requested for people. If you're in public, wear the mask, period. Now, if you're out jogging at night and there's nobody around, nobody's going to pull you over. But the reality is, if there's any people around you, you want to have that mask on, and then you're not worrying about the social distancing. Just wear the mask. And everybody in the science community has indicated that makes a big difference. So I know some people it's uncomfortable, but we got to continue to do that. So you can go to mass.gov. Mass.gov, if you want to go to that site, that gives you a little more detail on the new rules and regulations coming down from the state as they recommend to cities and towns. They're also suggesting no more than 10 people indoors and 25 people outdoors. Well, what does that mean? I know some of the folks that may be churchgoers or temple goers, you can still go to temple, you still go to church. When you have a facility that holds that number of people, you're okay. I think it's more of a message for those people. If you're having a party at home, parties somewhere, maybe in a small hall, that's where the problems seem to emanate from. So it's a restriction on that. That's what we're looking to cut down on. So outdoor gatherings, of course, this time of year, there's less and less outdoor gatherings because of the time of year we're going into. A couple other reminders. Veterans Day is next Wednesday, and it's a great day to honor our veterans. As we've said before, there will be no parade. There's going to be a very limited program at the World War II Memorial at Merrymount Park, where the fountain is. It'll be a brief program, and those folks that want to show, please wear a mask, and we'll be spread out on the grounds of Merrymount Park there. And we certainly don't want to miss the opportunity to honor the veterans who are in service to our country all across the globe, keeping us safe and protecting our freedoms. The second part is we have made it official. There will be no Christmas parade, there will be no Santa jump, and there will be no Friday night turning of the lights ceremony. Having said that, we anticipate we will be decorating the city as usual, so families and kids will still be able to enjoy the decorations, the lights, the wreaths and trees and so forth. But we will not have formal programs where people will be gathering. It's unfortunate. I'm very disappointed to report that to you. No one loves Christmas more than I do. So hang in there, folks. That's the latest update. Stay in touch, stay tuned, if you will, and stay safe. God bless.